if you were... So they take pictures from the oceans. Take pictures.
Frolic together!
Okay, wait, let me demo.
Yes.
You are the key to his heart. You have the key to his heart.
Okay,
Frolic together! Frolic together! Frolic! Frolic! I already started videotaping. Frolic! Frolic! Skip! Go, go, go! Skip! In sync! In sync! Oh, God! It's...
No, they should run in slow motion.
Oh, God! Oh, God! And now they're raking up behind the tree.
Oh, yeah.
The shoes should be flying! Let's go, Marla. Let's keep going.
Oh, God.
Go get him.
Go get it. Come on, what are they doing? Oh, wait, sorry.
Awesome!
Oh God, wait.
You guys aren't holding hands! That was awesome.
We're gonna go make love later.
Really?
Oh, God. You have to ask.
We thought you were making out behind the tree when he went over there. It's like, what's going on over there? You took your jackets off, so.
We did. Unless, no scene. I'm tired. I don't want to pretend making out with my friend. Yes.
Yeah, it's like that. Not the kind of friendship I was looking for.
I hope you girl.
I need to borrow